Did you know the average traveler could save up to 30% on their trip just by knowing a few simple hacks? We're talking about hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars back in your pocket. I'm James, and today I'm dropping some serious travel knowledge bombs. We're diving deep into 10 travel hacks that will change the way you plan your adventures forever. So if you're ready to unlock a world of affordable travel, buckle up. Let's do this. We've all been there. You're so hyped to finally explore that dream destination, but then, bam, flight prices hit you like a ton of bricks. Let's be real, navigating travel expenses can feel like you're lost in a maze blindfolded. But it doesn't have to be a constant battle. There are ways to outsmart the system and make your travel dreams a reality. First up, let's talk flights. Forget booking months in advance, that's so old school. Look for flights departing on weekdays, especially Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Trust me, a little flexibility can save you a small fortune. Next up, accommodation. Forget those overpriced hotels. We're going off the beaten path. Think Airbnb, VRBO, or even hostels if you're feeling adventurous. These options often offer more bang for your buck, plus you get the local experience. Hack number 3, pack light, travel far. Ever notice how airlines love to slap you with those ridiculous baggage fees? We're outsmarting them with the power of packing light. Pack versatile clothing items that you can mix and match. And remember, laundry services exist for a reason. Hack number 4, eat like a local, save like a boss. Let's be real, one of the best parts of traveling is indulging in the local cuisine, but those fancy restaurant meals can quickly drain your budget. My advice? Ditch the tourist traps and eat where the locals eat. Not only will you save money, but you'll also experience the authentic flavors of your destination. Hack number 5. Free activities are the best activities. Here's a secret. The best things in life are free. Exploring a new city doesn't have to cost a fortune. Think parks, museums with free admission days, walking tours, and local events. Do your research before you go, and you'll be amazed at how much you can experience without spending a dime. Hack number 6. Public transportation is your new best friend. Ditch the expensive taxis and rental cars and embrace the magic of public transportation. Not only is it cheaper, but it's also a great way to experience the city like a local. Plus, you'll avoid the stress of navigating through unfamiliar streets. Hack number 7. The power of free Wi-Fi. Avoid brutal data roaming charges by connecting to free Wi-Fi whenever possible. Most cafes, restaurants, and even some public spaces offer free Wi-Fi. Download offline maps and essential travel apps before you leave so you're not caught without data in a foreign land. Hack number 8, the currency exchange game. Don't get tricked into exchanging your money at the airport. Find a local bank or ATM for the best rates. And if you can, use a credit card that doesn't charge foreign transaction fees. Every penny counts, right? Hack number 9, the secret world of travel rewards. Sign up for airline miles, hotel loyalty programs, and credit card rewards that offer travel perks. These programs can earn you free flights, hotel stays, and other sweet travel bonuses. It's like getting paid to travel. Outro, you got this. Alright guys, that's a wrap on my 10 travel hacks to save you some serious cash. With a little planning and these insider tips, you'll be exploring the world without emptying your wallet. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your best travel hacks? Drop them in the comments below and share the wisdom. Keep exploring, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!